Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the credential you are using are invalid in Epic Games Launcher. It's very easy method, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First, close the Epic Game Launcher and make sure it's closed. Yes, it's closed. Now press and search percent local app data percent and click on OK and find the Epic Game Launchers and go to save, and you see the web cache 4430. Delete this file and then open the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on. If the problem doesn't fix, then right click and click on troubleshoot compatibility. They will fix the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.